Hey guys, this is Chris, Raccoon Tactical. Going to be doing a kind of a short, sweet, and to the point kind of video. Um, Sorry if the audio quality is kind of poo. Unfortunately, my microphone kind of bit the dust on me. But anyway, to the point here. So, today we're going to be looking at the Sitivien ST995. And this is the box that they send it in, which, considering it's a premium-ish knife, not that impressive. Let's get into and I don't know if you want to call that a microfiber cloth. That's a cloth. I think my brawny paper towels are better than that. Do get a pretty decent little pouch. And this is the ST995. It does have either an aluminum or steel back spacer with a lanyard loop. It does have steel liners. I'm wanting to say that this is titanium, like the bolsters. And we got like a shredded carbon fiber, which got a nice shimmer to it. Pretty nice. Probably use some better jimping on the back there for the flipper. Let's see how it works. Hey, rockets right out of there. Nice. Get in there for, got some nice swedging there. So this is like a drop point / spear point blade. And got an M390. Little titanium pocket clip there. It's not really, well, it's not deep, but it also don't look like it's reversible. I mean, that bolt, if you look in there, does run through, but there's not like a cutout around it for a lefty. Pretty smooth there. Well, that liner, I guess, unless you've got like really thick thumbs, you can get into that liner to push it over. It just kind of pinches you a little bit. Got a nice nail neck. Go, yeah. Might be able to fuller flick it. Let's try. Hey, that's pretty sweet. Let's see. Let me try to find some info on this guy. Let's see. According to the website, you've got 7.72 inches from tail to tip. Got a blade length of 3.38 inches. Handle length from tip to tip is going to be 4.33 and 3.5 ounce. Yeah, I can see that. Let's break out the caliper here. See what we got at. Let's see, boop. Let's zero out. Oh, fart. There we go. So, like we're going to have a 0.41 millimeter blade thickness just behind the edge, and 2.9 millimeter blade stock thickness. It does look like it tapers down, but you got that swedging there. It kind of takes away from that. All in all, it's a pretty decent knife in the hand, guys. Right now, as of the 12th of April, Amazon has a 10% coupon on this guy. It knocks it down to like $71. Yeah, I'm digging the aesthetics. Let's see what I got over here. We can do a comparison. Let's see, got a top liner lock Vostede Raccoon. It's close, very close. Just a smidge longer than the Raccoon. Let's see here. See what we got. Protect Malibu. It's bigger than the Malibu. Let's see if I've got anything in my little bag of goodies here that might be a little closer. You got the porcupine there from Vostede. It's definitely bigger than that guy. Let's see here. Like I said, this is going to be a down and dirty review. I'm not really that prepared for it, but I'm going to churn this bad boy out and move forward with it. Kaiser Militao. Yeah, finally something that's a little bit bigger than that. But overall, for the cost of this, I mean, you're getting some pretty decent materials. I've watched some videos though. I think it was LTK, Love Them Knives, did a hardness check on their M390 from Sitivien, and it came up a little bit below 60 HRC, which for M390 is anything below 60 is definitely suboptimum. But on the flip side, that's definitely got a nice feel in the hands. Now that little flipper there definitely pushes you back some, so you just kind of got to choke up the best you can over it, but it's not something that would create like a hot spot, so to speak, if you was to, you know, just be chugging at it all day. Oh, like I said, impromptu, so anything can happen on these. Yeah, for the giggles, let's do a little slicer check. Ooh. 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 Okay. Okay. So, that's some pretty dang clean slicing. I'll give it to them. They know how to sharpen their blades. The action, it's nice. It's really nice. It's almost hydraulic. I mean, just boom. That's really nice. Got a little pop of blue there on the pivot collars. Probably anodized titanium. Gonna have T6 body screws, T8 pivot. I do like the aesthetics of that. Kind of reminds me of, well, I don't have it close by, but I got a QSP Hedgehog with the spear point blade. Kind of reminds me of it, you know, if it didn't have the flipper. That would be awesome to do a little flipper delete. But yeah, guys, 71 bucks. I mean, for the materials you're getting here, I mean, it's a really, really decent deal. As long as you as long as you're okay with that limited access to the lock bar, that's a deal killer for a lot of guys, I understand. I mean, like the Kaiser there, I mean, you got great access. Well, those are top liner lock. Dummy. But, yeah. Just give them a quick check there on over on the Amazon. Like I said, right now they're doing a 10% off. Makes this bad guy 71 bucks, plus of course your taxes. I mean, for somebody that's wanting to get into a premium steel and premium materials, and it's got a nice weight to it. It's not heavy. Well, what I say the weight was, I have to go back up here. Yeah, it's 3.5 ounces. I mean, come on, guys. I mean, for what I paid for that, I paid that for this with 14C blade. Granted, they probably actually hit the numbers they shoot for with their HRC, just like with the Porcupine. I don't know. I'm going to try to get some more of these Sitiviens, their more premium blades, and just kind of see how they grow on me, so to speak. Also, here in the near future, I will be doing a major announcement. I know this channel is small, but I'm hoping to grow it. We may be doing a giveaway or a GAW very soon. So keep watching my videos. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, click the bell icon, and just pass me around to your friends. You know, the more the merrier. I know some of you probably just went mind into the gutter there, but come on, guys. I'm trying to grow a channel here. But yeah, I've got big plans if I can ever get more time away from work to actually do these videos. Right now I've got my kids held at bay. But anyway, enough rambling from me. If you want to keep watching, check out some of my other vids. Like, share, subscribe. I'm going to say right now, if I can hit 200, I will be doing a giveaway. I will announce what I will be giving away once we get there. All right. Take care. God bless. Have a wonderful evening.